Hey, it's Alex again, and this is the SMUG electric standing desk. That if you work from home or spend time in the computer, you need to get one of these ASAP. These are fantastic. And of course, the best feature in this type of desk is, well, the standing feature, which in this one goes from 28 inches to 48 inches tall. That is huge. And that is indeed the best feature of this type of desk, because not only take care of your posture, but also when you're working from home or just like being tired of being all day in the computer, you actually need to stand up. So being able to switch from a sitting position that you're working or being productive with anything you're doing to a standing position, it is just spectacular. It's super comfortable. I do recommend this type of desks. And size-wise, this measures 63 by 24. And you already know the height ranges from 28 to 48 inches tall. It is made from a laminated surface that is water resistant and also super easy to clean with just a wipe. And while the assembly process is not super bad, it could be the only thing that I didn't like too much about this desk. Again, it's not terrible. It could take you probably like an hour, 60 minutes, and you may need some help. Other than that, this is fantastic. And the LED display shows the actual height, a button to just lock the height whenever you want it so it's not going to be moving, 3 buttons for memory, and up and down button. And you can see that it's pretty responsive. So if we have a desired height in any of these keys, we just press it, and it's going to be automatically lifting up. In terms of weight, it holds 154 pounds, and it comes with both a hanger for your headphones and cable management right here and on the bottom of the desk as well. So besides the assembly process, I couldn't find anything negative on this desk. To me, just having the chance to stand up and being out of your daily posture while working from home or something like that and stretching, it's super important. So I would recommend this desk. My thumbs up. I hope you like my review, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.